You are watching Hobbykit, a one-stop tech gear.
Hello everyone, welcome to Hobbykit channel. Today I'm going to make a temperature sensor which is going to display humidity and temperature on Oled. I have already written the code, so I'm opening the code now. Okay. Meanwhile, I will show you the circuit diagram by using the circuit.io website. I just type circuit.io and click on app. Agree the terms and conditions. Yes. Now search for Nodemcu as we are using Nodemcu in our project, and click on swap. Then it will be swapped by Nodemcu. And we are using OLED display. Yeah, our code is open. Okay. Let us search for the OLED display module. No, this is not a right module I am using. Okay, I have previously explained a video on how to interface OLED with Nodemcu. So I'll open the project folder and I'll show you the circuit diagram. OLED Nodemcu. Yes, this is the circuit diagram for connecting OLED to Nodemcu. I have connected the ground wire to ground pin and VCC to the 3 volts and SCK to D4 and SDA to D3 as shown in the circuit diagram. So this is our circuit diagram. Now we'll go into the code. Yes, this is the total code. First, these are the libraries which you have to include. This is the library for Nodemcu, and this library is for temperature and humidity sensor, and these libraries are used for OLED display. And then I have given the SSID and password which the Nodemcu will connect, and I have defined the sensor pin, where should the sensor pin connect to the Nodemcu, and I have given the type of my sensor. That means we have DHT11 and DHT22 sensors. So I am using DHT11, and this line helps to initialize the display, and here 0 into 3C is the address line of my OLED, and I connect it to D3 and D4. And in the DTH library I have included the pin number and the type of the sensor. Here, type of the sensor. And in void setup, I have initiated the serial monitor with 15200 baud rate, and these set of lines are used for where to display the output on the OLED. This is also previously explained in my video. I will give the link in the description. Here, DTH sensor. I have begun the DTH sensor, and also I have begun the Wi-Fi by giving the SSID and password. Before going to and I have given another void setup, that is for measuring the temperature and humidity. These are the floating points where H indicates the humidity and T for temperature, and F holds the data. And these are the command lines which I have used from the library DHT. And also I have initiated the condition that if the sensor fails to read the temperature, then this loop will be used that DTH connection is failed. And then so now in the output session I have decided where to keep the side headings and where to display the output, and these are the locations which are helpful in OLED. And in the void loop I just kept the function in void loop. Hit on compile button so the code gets compiled. Meanwhile I'll show you the connection of DTH sensor to Nodemcu, which I have forgotten. So I'm going back to the Circuit.io website. And now select Nodemcu and click on Nodemcu and swap it with the Arduino board. Yes, now I'll use the sensor DTH11. Okay, DTH11 or 22, whatever may be. It has 4 pins, that is VCC, ground and data input pins. So here you can see the circuit diagram. Here you can see the circuit diagram. Yes, the ground pin of sensor is connected to the ground pin of the Nodemcu, and the VCC pin to the VCC of the Nodemcu. Yes, this pin is VCC and it is connected to the Nodemcu's VCC pin. And sorry, this is an extra connection which we should not do this connection in our project. Please ignore it. And the green pin is the data pin and it is connected to D1, but in our project we have connected the data pin to pin number 4. Am I right? Yes. In this code we have connected our DTH sensor to pin number 4. So you just replace the connection with pin number 4 on the Nodemcu. Yes, our code is successfully compiled, and then hit on the upload button and select the tool and port. Make sure you select the right port. In my case it is COM4. It is different in different cases. Yes, my code is successfully uploading into my Nodemcu. Here you can see that. Yes, the code is completely updated. So this is the output of our project. I have made all the connections in a 0 PCB. Yeah, here you can see weather, humidity 95% and temperature 30 degrees centigrade. You can change the centigrade to Fahrenheit by uncommenting the line in the code. And that one is the DHT sensor. And these connections are made in 0 PCB board. And it is a voltage input pins, but I used my USB cable. You need to give 5 volts input to that. This is the connection. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.